friends are still typing their questions. In the meantime, I have this question about safety.
Mm-hmm.
So the Rav knows I don't live in the most safest place in the world. So let's just say that. I mean, there's pretty much the whole world is unsafe right now. But anyways, and nothing happens to a person unless Hashem decrees this from heaven.
Mm-hmm.
So lately, these places start to become more unsafe than usual. But yet, I rather not to think about too much about this. I don't watch the news or anything.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I have so many things to think about and to be concerned about that thinking about this would be another issue that would cause me a lot of stress and so on. But like this morning, like a very few blocks away from where I live, a guy was murdered by some people, and then the guy had like bodyguards, and the bodyguards kind of chased the murderers, and they started shooting each other in the middle of the street, like a complete disaster. And this was like very few blocks away from where I live. This is a place that I used to frequent a lot because of a lot of issues that I have around this area. One of them being work. I have to go to one of my customers that is close to this place very, very often. So I was thinking, I mean, in regards to this issue of safety, I try to behave as if it was not there. For example, people here don't take their phones out of their pockets because it's very likely that they're going to be robbed. I mean, funny thing, phones were created to be remotely, but not here because of this issue. So I was thinking, okay, should I start being more careful, or should I just, I mean, is Hashem trying to test my Emunah here, and does he want me to behave as if nothing was happening, or should I be more cautious, like more careful with this issue?
Okay, so that's a very, very good question. So how, like, what Hishtadlus we have to do? So that's the basic question, to protect ourselves. So first of all, we don't go to dangerous places. If you know, at the beginning, from the start, it's a dangerous place. You don't go there, period. Right? On one hand. On another hand, you do business as usual. Whatever you need to do, you do. Like usually this shooting does not happen every day, right? It's maybe from time to time. So, and if you don't go during the night, early in the morning, like these crazy hours, so that's you're fine. You're allowed to, especially if you go to on a mitzvah, right? Mitzvah to make money, to make parnas. It's also mitzvah, right? So the person is going to pray, so that's also mitzvah or something else. You understand? With these phones, of course. I mean, if it's known fact that people like snatch the phones in the middle of the street, so don't take out your phone. So it's very simple. Take this, have this earphones. That's what I have. I have earphones, and my phone is not even in the pocket. I have this holster, like it's under my jacket. So to take the phone, like it's mission impossible, right? So I mean, if I need to go to shul somewhere, so I'm just walking. I need to listen to lecture. It's in my headphones. They're not expensive. Nobody is going to steal. It's not that people walking this Apple. This one, like this white ones, I think it's $150, $70. I don't know, like $200 almost. Like I don't know what. Like I pay for my phone almost that much money. Like headphones for so much. Like it's crazy. You understand? So so we do like normal things, right? And Hashem is going to protect. So don't go to crazy places where all of the thugs get together, like all of the cafes or all of these things. So, and you should not read news. My wife, God bless her, I don't know what happened. I don't know, like, but she read the news in the whole world. I don't know, like, why would she do that? And so I don't know how long it took you, maybe an hour. So she was in shock. So she's still in shock what's going on in the world. After 3 days, 3 days, I hope she did not go back to the news. I told her not to, but she read whatever she read, this country, this hypocrite, that hypocrite. And then she read the comment and said, I don't need to know all these things. Look, Hashem is running the world. And he says in the message of the Pesach, right? This Parsha Bo, I think it's Parsha Bo. He said, "You stay home, you do what you do, and I'm going to take care of the world. I'm going to kill who needs to be killed and who needs to stay alive. They're going to still stay alive. But if you go out and you see this neighbor is dead, that neighbor is dead, there is a scream for this house, you're going to go crazy." Right? Hashem said, "Look, I'm running the world. I know what I'm doing. Trust me. You just be yourself. You just be a Jew. You just learn Torah, and I'm going to protect you. That's it. Otherwise, people go crazy." So I don't know why she watched the news, but I don't know. Maybe somebody asked her. Maybe she was concerned. I don't know. But she's very a sensitive person, especially if she did not watch the news for such a long time. I don't know, for years. I don't know how long, but now she's in a state of shock, which is not right. And that's what I tell everybody: don't watch the news. What is going to give you? Are they going, when after 120 years you'll go to this, what is it, to this last judgment? Are they going to ask you, did you watch the news? Did you know what happened in this country? Nobody is going to ask you. 1 second, sorry. So nobody going to ask you anything. So just do what you need to do. Take care. You need to go to the store. You go to the store normal hours. Right? That's it.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.